Hey everyone, how are you this morning? I'm sending you probably your last video message, or maybe I'll send you one more just to bother you. But here we are in our last week of content. So this week you're kind of moving into a subject that's really difficult, rape and sexual assault. Um, it's part of the human sexuality kind of rubric in terms of like what that looks like. So there are, I'm sorry, my dogs are acting super foolish this morning. There are, there are a lot of things for you to see this in this module. And I want to point out that your financial, sorry. The final exam is listed there. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. The final exam is here. So you've got that. And then you also have a discussion. And so this is basically the end of content. You will have one more post that'll be due on May 22nd, which is when the final is also due. It's a what has shifted. And so basically you're going to kind of describe what you thought you knew compared to what you know now, in terms of the content throughout the semester. So, or maybe a perspective, maybe, you used to think something and now your attitude has changed. I don't know. You'll be able to speak to that in however kind of you feel like. So like I said, this is sort of a tough section, so read with care. The Kenyan anti-rape campaign is super effective. Why aren't more countries using it? Is one of the things that I think is a way to shed light on like what could be done in terms of raising boys to be more accountable in terms of what's okay and what's not okay to do. So that would be something worth checking out. All right, happy writing, happy end of the semester, congratulations. I look forward to reading your finals and entering grades and getting you guys all through this semester. So thanks for sticking with it and take good care.